Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Today is Tuesday, August 19th, 2008, and this is Jerry Furst for Furst on Forex with an FX market update. By attending this watching this video, it's strictly for educational and entertainment purposes only. Information provided is not financial or trading advice. Trading involves significant risk of financial loss. Only trade with money you can afford to lose, and please do your due diligence and practice, review, and adjust your trading. All right, coming up on the news is for the week ahead and for the day ahead for Tuesday. We're going to have in the United States. We're going to have producer price index and housing starts, Red Book chain store sales, and State Street Investor Confidence Index coming up at 8:30, 8:55, and 10 o'clock respectively. On the international calendar, coming up at 2 a.m., German PPI, German economic sentiment at 5 a.m. Eastern Time. Wholesale sales report for Canada come out at 8:30. And at 8:30 Eastern Time, Australia comes out with the Combined Economic Indicators Index. So that's the news coming out that's scheduled for the week ahead, and actually for the day ahead for Tuesday, August 18th. Now let's take a look at the charts briefly. The dollar, as most are aware, has made a really significant run up, and we are now looking at how low can the euro go? How high can the dollar go without retracing? Well, here's a chart, a weekly chart of the euro US dollar, and you can see going all the way back that we have very good, strong supporting trend line, which is exactly where price currently is. And we also have horizontal support. We had this congestion consolidation zone at the end of last year, beginning of this year, and price has done a dramatic drop without a retracement yet. We also have, in case price does break through that support line, another trending support line that will probably hold price steady if it was to go ahead and break through that support. A break of this supporting trend line would be a massive show of strength for the dollar. If we were to break through this line here at about 1.4423, that would be pretty much a drop all the way back down to the 1.36 range. And that could happen. Anything can happen, right? All right. Now, some more interesting things to look at is on the Swiss, and I've got these charts posted on the blog statically. Well, this is a weekly chart, but if you drop all the way down to a 30-minute chart on the Swiss franc as I am broadcasting this, which is actually at 11:30, close to midnight, August 18th. So we have a triangle pattern on a 30-minute chart. And of course, 30-minute charts are not as strong as weekly charts by any means, but it does look as if the dollar is ready to go ahead and maybe give back some of its ground. And if it does, coming back into this consolidation range over here for the dollar Swiss of around maybe 1.0800, 1.0900, 1.0800 is not out of the question, considering the run-up that the dollar has had. So that is a little bit of a rundown here. Let's see how much more time. Let me go ahead and show one more chart. Let me pull up the Canadian US dollar, and you can see that the dollar has really gone ahead and regained some ground. This is a 30-minute chart, and if we go all the way back out to a daily chart, just a very dramatic run-up where the Canadian dollar has given back a lot of its ground back over here in November when it went ahead and made its, not only did it make parity back in September, but it just kept on going and kept on going. Then it went ahead and has gone sideways basically for a huge amount of time. I've talked and written about it quite significantly as to, how long were we going to stay within this range. And so we have now broken out of this range, out of the box, and now we are paused back in the range where we were before the Canadian dollar went ahead and made its run for parity. So I just think that that's something to watch at this point in time, and stay tuned here on my blog, First on Forex, currently hosted on fxstreet.com, and good trading to everybody. We will see you again next time. This has been Jerry Furst, Senior Currency Analyst for Investors Education Network, First on Forex, Tuesday, August 19th, 2008. Have a great day. Good trading, everybody. Bye-bye.